Crazy Rides Inc. and I'm over here at JP Cycles at now called Morris Harley Davidson Destination, whatever. And KST Rent is going to put the new bracket on my handlebars with the set screws. This is a new product they have. Check them out, and you could use them on any bike, and you don't even have to have his bars. You can just use that bracket. So this is Brett. This is Rhett.
What's up, guys?
And here is the bracket. It's, wow, beautifully machined. It's got 3 set screws. It's got a little knurling in the bottom, which is very good. That's more support. They did some grooves in it. Nice piece of, nice piece.
It's done.
Pull out. Get us a different bolt. I think that one seen its better day.
Need a new screw.
Yeah, well, we'll have it. I'm glad I'm here and he's doing it. Glad I'm here and he's doing it.
I'm glad he's doing it too. Got all these bikes at KST Kustoms doing here at Petty Morris, Harley Davidson, big parking lot, right in front of JP Cycles. All the different bars they manufacture.
Monday, then I'm coming back Saturday for the races. Stay until Sunday.
You're from up north, aren't you? Are you from down here?
Yeah, we're from New York originally, but now we're down in Palm Beach County.
I got you.
Was that all right? It bit?
Yeah.
All right, good. So there's no torque on that. You're just bringing them down,
Yep.
and you put that groove on the top of it. So that,
A little extra bite.
yeah, that, what a great product that is, and it's not that expensive at all. It's worth the
$80.
money. $80. It's not worth. It's worth the money. Cut that out. Yeah, my other buddies here that you did his bars last year, I think it was. I know you wouldn't remember it, but if you watched the channel, you would have known.
I do watch it from time to time.
Okay, all right. Well.
You were one of the first ones to get these.
That's right. That's right.
And we reduce this a little different now.
I like it just the way it is.
Oh, it works perfect for these.
Yeah, I like it just the way it is.
You want to sit on it, make sure the bars are good
Well,
for you? before he throws everything on. Need help getting the leg over?
Shut up. Yeah, a little high, but this is okay. You can see my mirrors are up a little bit.
Come back.
Straighten out the bike.
I am. Yeah, I like them down a little bit, so I don't have to reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have sat on them before you tightened it up.
You loosen it up.
Huh?
You loosen it up.
Don't mind. I just want to. I have big shoulders, so, and I've always ridden my bikes with the bars down, even the drag bars and stuff. My other dresser. It was just something that
He likes him on his lap.
I like. Well, I don't like. No, it's just a little bit. I can see my mirrors, so I'm gonna go right by it with my mirrors.
Now I have the newer bars like
Yeah.
this. I don't need that
No,
stuff.
because you have the knurl in your bar.
Right, yeah.
All his newer bars have the knurl. So if you have early ones, or if you have other bars, which you shouldn't have other bars, you should have only KST bars, and they don't have that cross knurl.
Yeah, we
Then
changed.
you need to change the caps.
Yeah, we changed the way we make that piece. Hold the bar. When we first came out with this, it was just that.
I was
rubber
gonna say,
strip.
don't loosen the one that you changed.
Oh, it's fine now.
Yeah, all right. Oh, hold on.
Straighten out the bike so you
No, I'm good.
good.
Yeah. I'm good right there.
Make sure he's not doing it again.
Hold it. Don't do anything, and I'll tell you in a minute. Lock it up. Yeah. I got the eye. Thank you.